everyone, welcome to Math Tutorial. Before that, I am Charlene Villabito. I am a first-year student from Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. In this video, I am going to cover how to add fractions with unlike denominators. So let's jump into our example. Starting with number 1, where we have 4 over 9 plus 1 over 3. Now, when we add fractions, we need a common denominator. In other words, the bottom number need to be the same in order to add. For number 1, we have 9 and 3. So obviously, we don't have a common denominator to start with. So we can add. So first thing that we need to do is find a common denominator. And we can do that by finding the least common multiple of denominator. So let's write out the multiples of 9 and 3. Let's start with 9. So the first multiple of 9 are 9, 18, 36. So I'll write for multiples of a 3. I would suggest writing out 4 of 5 multiples of each. See if you have any common multiples, and if not, you can always extend your list. So let's do 3 now and see if we have any common multiples. First, 3, 6, and 9. And it's look like we have a common multiple of 9. And more especially, that's going to be the least multiple of 9. And more especially, that's going to be the least common multiple. We always want to find the least common multiple. Smaller numbers in value are generally easier to work with, and this will help cut down on simplifying in the end. So 9 is going to be our common denominator. Let's come back up the original problem and rename the fraction with our common denominator of 9. So underneath, I'm going to write our common denominator of 9, and now we can rename. So let's start. So we can just bring the 4 down. As far as 1 over 3, we need to think, so 1 times 3 is equal to 3. Now, the both fractions have a common denominator. So when we add fractions, we add the numerators, the top numbers, 4 plus 3 equals to 7, and then we keep the denominator the same, so as 9. 7 over 9 is our final answer. That's all, guys. Bye-bye and thank you.